Hello Year 9. This video is designed to give you information on the options for your science GCSEs that you'll be starting in Year 10. We have two options for science next year. Both of them are run by the WJC exam board. Double award science is compulsory for all pupils, but you can also choose to opt for triple award. Triple award is designed for pupils who have particular interest in science and maybe are already planning to study it at A level or beyond. So why is science so important? Today's world is increasingly scientific and technological. All children, whether or not they're likely to go on to follow a career in science or technology, need to have a broad knowledge and understanding of the basic concepts of biology, chemistry and physics. All pupils should therefore receive a broad and balanced science education to the age of 16, which contains equal amounts of biology, chemistry and physics. A balanced science course will provide you with broad scientific knowledge, provides a common base if you want to study science at higher education, keeps jobs and career opportunities open for all students, increases the pool of students available for science, technology and engineering related employment, and over time will help to create a more scientifically and technologically literate society. So all state schools are now required to provide a broad science course to the age of 16. So let's have a look at the difference between the two courses, so GCSE double award and GCSE triple award. As I said previously, all pupils will study double award science. That will be assessed with 6 exams, so 90% of the course is assessed with 6 exams. There will be 3 in the summer of Year 10, and the exams are an hour and 15 minutes long. So they'll do 1 biology, 1 chemistry, 1 physics exam, and then in the summer of Year 11, again, there'll be an exam for each of the sciences. The other 10% is assessed internally by a practical assessment. We tend to do those in the spring of Year 10 to give an opportunity in Year 11 for resits if needed. Those will be marked, however, by the examination board. The specification for science includes practical work, so we try and do as many practicals throughout the course as we can, and within the exams there will also be practical skills assessed. There are 2 tiers for science, so pupils are either entered into higher tier, where grades can range from A star down to D, or foundation, where grades range from C to G. At the end of the double award course, 2 separate GCSE grades are achieved, so they range from A star, A star, A star A, AA, etc., right the way down to GG. Within the option pools, pupils will have the opportunity to choose to follow the triple award science course. Again, with this, there will be 6 exams, however, they're a little bit longer, an hour and 45 minutes, 3 in Year 10, 3 in Year 11. And again, 10% is assessed by the practical assessment. With the triple award, however, you will do 3 controlled assessments, whereas double award only do 2. Again, there's practical work, so there's some extra experiments with the triple award, and this is really suited for pupils who have an interest in science and wish to study it further. At the end of the 2-year course, 3 separate GCSE qualifications will be achieved, so 1 in biology, 1 in chemistry, 1 in physics. In terms of entry into further education colleges, both GCSEs, the double and the triple, are recognised and provide the same entry points, with double providing 2 qualifications at GCSE and triple providing 3. So how to decide which course is best for you? Obviously this will depend on how much you enjoy science and whether you intend to further study science after your GCSEs. For triple award, ideally we'd like pupils to be achieving a high level 6 at the end of Key Stage 3. The course will follow WJC exam board. If you choose to just do the double award science course, you will have 9 hours a fortnight in Year 10 and Year 11 of science, 3 biology, 3 chemistry and 3 physics. The same then pattern will apply in Year 11. Triple award science pupils then have 5 extra GCSE science lessons a fortnight. Those are in the option pool times. So we split them, sort of different combination each year. So in year 10 you may have 2 hours of biology, 2 hours of chemistry and 1 hour of physics. And then in year 11 it may be 2 hours of biology, 1 hour of chemistry and 2 hours of physics. So this slide is just a summary of the assessment for double award science. So 3 exams year 10, 3 exams in year 11, each providing 15% of the course and then 10% on the practical. And then for the triple award, 1 exam for each of the 3 sciences in year 10, 1 exam in year 11, and then the 10% practical, which will take place, as I said earlier, we usually do these in the spring of year 10 to give pupils opportunity for resits if they need them. So what will you be actually learning about in your science GCSEs? As you can see there on the board, these are the topics for double award. So in biology, we do a lot in year 10 of sort of human anatomy, looking at different organ systems within the human body. We do a bit on plants and the environment. Chemistry is about substances and chemical reactions, the structure of atoms in the periodic table, water, earth, and a rate of chemical changes. Physics year 10, we're looking at electrical circuits, generating electricity, energy, and waves. Year 11 then in biology, we have a look at classification, so carrying on with sort of the environment side of things. And then we move on to look at a lot of sort of DNA and genetics and how the body is controlled by DNA. And then towards the end of year 11, back to anatomy with the nervous system and then looking at diseases. Chemistry in year 11 is bonding, structure and properties, looking at acids and bases, metals, chemical reactions, and then crude oil. And then physics in year 11, we're looking at distance, speed and acceleration, Newton's laws, work and energy, stars and planets, radiation and half-life. With the triple award course, some of these units will have some extra content, and there are also then some extra units that they would study. For example, in year 10 biology, there's an extra part on nutrient cycles, and then 2 extra units in year 11 on the kidneys and microorganisms. Chemistry's got an extra unit in year 10 on limestone, but also some extra parts of some of the other units as well. Unit 1 for physics, you can see that we've got 4 extra units. So internal reflection, seismic waves, kinetic theory and electromagnetism. In year 11 then for chemistry, there's an extra unit on reversible reactions and 3 extra units there on physics. If you have any questions at all about science as an option, please speak to one of your science teachers. Thank you.